Thank you guys. Thank you so much. And next year, baka iba na mag-propose. Dami na naman ako yung series. Congratulations guys. Palakpakan natin. Inulit ako sa... Ang kailangan daw ni As sa 21 years ng Toycon, may nag-propose.
Hindi sinagot.
Ako kasali dyan. Next up, we're gonna have a segment courtesy of our friends and sponsors from Luigi. Steady. Good luck! Dami kong minasahin.
Tapos mag-shoot kanina.
Salamat. Parang susuntukin pa niya eh. Galing, no? First time mong na nag-propose sa stage with me. So, I'm gonna bring up my co-host. Bibigyan ko lang ng mic here.
Yung mga ano.
Solid na.
164.
Ang hirap magpuno ng stereo para ko siya makakasyan.
Taring natin.
Hindi ko mga pressure yung natin natin. Pero alam niyo ako yung fragrance ko. Break mo tayo ng IDC have
Wishy. Ano na namin? Anong mechanics? I think this is a game.
ang tawag sa kanya is the Cuckoo Blaster.
Okay.
So, actually, pre-select ko tayo na po yung
Oy.
And the story was is a family, very family. Huwag mo tayo ng theories from a dad and yung na anak.
Father and son.
Ay!
Exactly, ayan. So, I think this is actually, so yung guys namin, ito sila naman.
Ano yung ano? Father and son?
Ito sila. Yung father and son, or parang yung daughter bond.
Galingan mo na ano? Kukuhin. You know, this is a Cuckoo Blaster.
Hello!
Ay, gusto mo yan. Before we start the mechanics, I want to get your names first. Yung pangalan niya, yung pangalan mo. So, name? Justin, and then you are? JJ.
Justin Jonas. Mark and? Isa? Isa!
Mark.
And isa. So, anything.
Solid. So our mechanics, you have to listen to this and then the audience. Pakinggan nyo kung paano sila mananalo.
Okay, so, parang katulad naman itong napakalaking prize natin. It's called yung Ocean Pillow. So, kasi yung winner for today's game, alam mo ko, I'm the first one to issue first.